Yeah, our ambition for the Future Promotion Forum is really to provide a platform for all players in the promotional printing value chain.
The customer experience is more important than the product. It's really all about emotions. It's about really touching people.
It's the way you make people feel, and data just simply doesn't tell you that. So you really need somebody who can draw insights from that data and then take those insights and put them into a value back into the customer experience.
Data is being used for personalisation, but how it's collected, how it's used, really needs to be carefully understood.
Real-time, trigger-based, customised data in data-driven integrated workflows.
I'm happy to say that we've got about 570 people that joined us on the event today.
Anything you can do online, you can also do in print, because print can be programmatic.
We have 95% of the people saying that yes, they could imagine implementing programmatic print.
The question for many still remains how the process from data creation to print can become efficient for marketeers. So the question is, how can we integrate print seamlessly in those marketing tech environments?
We've heard a lot about programmatic print and how efficient and effective it can be. Sounds good in theory for sure, but you're probably wondering how to put it all together. I'm here to connect those dots for you.
And I'm delighted to say that I'm joined this afternoon by Alex Hughes. Good afternoon, Alex.
I'm very, very optimistic that we are reaching now a point where marketeers are picking it up as a really great thing to integrate in their omni-channel strategy. So I'm a very happy man.
Big thank you to all of our speakers and presenters today. I think it was quite the challenge to pull this event together. I'll hold up my elbow to you, Kathy, to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Richard.